guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I will guide you through how to fix Bluesky app login problem. So if you are unable to log into your Bluesky app, you can try these solutions. First option is to go to the Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now go to search bar and search for Bluesky app. Once you find the app, tap on it. Now you can see on install and open option here. If you haven't updated your app, you will see update option instead of open right over here. So if your app is not updated, you can update it from here and then see if you can log in. But if you are still unable to log in, you can try another option. Go to settings. Now I am going to tap on about phone option for storage here. But if you have a storage option on your phone, you can tap on it directly. So let's go to storage. Now here you can see many options. You need to tap on the first option, apps and data. And here you can see all the apps on your phone. Now you need to look for Bluesky app here. Once you find the app, tap on it. Now here you can see the clear cache option right over here. Tap on clear cache. Now tap on OK and that's it. Your cache is cleared. That should fix the errors and you should be able to log in. But if it still doesn't solve the problem, you can try on installing the app and install it back from Play Store. So this is how you can fix the login problem on Bluesky app. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.